these registers with your clients. So to do that, I will go into one company that I wish to share. And under the details, right down at the bottom, we've got the share access. And here I can add the person that I wish to share it with. Okay, this one I've already shared once, but I can add another one. Okay, by clicking plus login email. So I can share that with, I'm just going to share it with the email address that I set up. And I can choose, because I'm on premium, because I'm on unlimited option, I have this option to choose to give my client full access to the register or view only access. Okay, view only obviously will just allow them to access the register and not be able to change anything other than to upload their own documents. Say notify by email, I'll say yes, and I save that. Email sent successfully. Okay, so I'm going to show you the email that gets sent to your client. Just waiting for it to come through here. There you go, you heard it. Okay, so this email got sent to your client. Okay, test 2 here. And it says, whoever you were, just shared company registers access with you. And it gives them instructions on what they should do. So they can go to company registers. Okay, let me close this one down. Let's pretend I'm them. All right, click on there, log in using the email address test2. Okay, so they'll click on that link. They'll come to company registers. They go to login. Okay, they will log in as test2. Okay, now, okay, they don't have a password to start off with. Okay, sorry, let's go back to that email. I'm a bit too quick. If this is your first login, you will need to set up a password. Click reset password and follow the prompts. Okay, so they'll come here, they'll click reset password. They will fill in the email address. Click email the reset password. And now they will get another email. Okay, this verifies who they are basically. Just waiting for it to come through. There's a whole bunch of other emails coming through as well. Okay, so they get then this email that says there's a new password. If they click on the link, they'll go there, they can set themselves up a password. Okay, password has been updated. And they can then log in. Okay, they get logged in to their own company. Sorry, I actually used this one earlier, so that's why it's got these other ones in. But they can then go to my entities. Okay, it tells them this in the email. Let's just have a look. This one. Okay, once logged in, you get access to this company from my entities menu by choosing my shared access from the drop-down. Okay, so my entities, my shared access, and there's a company that was shared with them. They click on that little button, they'll see it can be shared until a certain date, which you set on your side, and then they can view that company. Okay, it's all in blue because they can't change anything. Okay, it's view only mode, but they can see everything. They can print the register. They can go to the resolutions and they can add new things here. They can't delete any. You notice the delete button is missing, but they can add new ones. and they can upload documents, so they can help you in that process. In fact, when they upload a document, let's just try something here. It automatically gets ticked as new upload. Okay, and what happens there is that, okay, sorry, what type of document is it? Because it's ticked as new, you will see it like this if you go to that company as well, so that you effectively notified of documents that your client has uploaded and are new on the system. Then you can go and have a look at them, and then you can go and you can untick it as new, being that you've already seen it and you're happy with it. Okay, I think I have covered